Welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. We take you behind the scenes. Terrell says we're ready, so I guess we'll start over here. This is the Ford Explorer getting some window tint. Our friend Dakota brought in his gorgeous Camaro. It's like a resto mod. Beautiful car. It's got carbon fiber bumpers, obviously totally custom. I don't know what's under the hood, but it sounds fantastic. Sinister Muscle Cars just finished it up. Carbon fiber lips on the wheels. Beautiful, beautiful car. Getting ceramic coated. Then we have a couple of Teslas. I think they're both plaids, Model X and a Model S. Both of them, same customer, getting full wraps, ceramic coatings, window tint all the way around, windshield protection, basically everything that we offer on both of those cars. And then we've got a Mazda CX-50. This one's getting a full front end and PPF and a ceramic coating. We have a Model Y on the lift. This one's getting some PPF as well. And Aaron is currently installing some very customized film on the back bumper of a Silverado. He already did the front bumper, the mirrors. This is all custom hand cut bulk stuff. No patterns for this. It takes a very, very skilled installer to do a great job with this. Aaron is no stranger to doing things like that. In the wash bay, we've got an F-150 getting an annual inspection. Outside, we've got a Corolla GR. This was previously vinyl wrapped, not by us, and the wrap is getting removed. Not sure why, I guess the owner just wanted to change it up or something. Next to two tint jobs, a Hyundai and a GMC. The Grand Cherokee was a ceramic coating. It's ready to go home. An Escalade V, this one's getting a full wrap, tint, I think a ceramic coating as well. And a Cybertruck and a Volvo. The Volvo got a polish and a paint correction on the hood. There were like some chemical marks or something, so we polished those out. And the Cybertruck is vinyl wrapped by the owner, and it's gonna get a ceramic coating. And that's it for what's happening in Latrobe. Let's check out the other stores.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. First up in the showroom here is probably the coolest car we have in the shop this week. It's a 911 Dakar from our friends at Ken Ganley, Audi Porsche Swickley. This is in for a full body 8mm PPF wrap. Has all the bells and whistles, the roof rack, Porsche branded gas cans. Really, really cool spec, and we're looking forward to taking care of the wrap on it. Next in line for some paint protection film is this C8 Corvette. This is getting a full 10mm paint protection film wrap, along with an 8-year ceramic coating. We also did a visor on the top of the windshield and our 5% XR Series tint. Also in for some PPF is this E350. This is in for an array of PPF. We're doing the entire front clip, bumper, hood, fenders, and mirrors, along with the A-pillars and partial roof. We are also tinting all the side windows, back window, and full windshield in our Prime XR window tint. Over here we have a completed ceramic coating job. This brand new, it's actually a 2027 Land Cruiser. Got a full paint correction along with an 8-year ceramic coating on the entire vehicle. Also in for a coating, we got Mark doing his thing on this brand new Ram. This is getting a 4-year coating. This morning we tinted the two front windows 20% to match the factory tint. Mark has the whole vehicle polished out, and soon he'll be applying our XPEL Fusion Plus coating. In the tint bay, we got Red and Cole working on this S6. This is getting our Prime XR Series tint, 5% side windows, back window, and windshield visor. In the wash bay, we got a Genesis G70. We did this vehicle 2 years ago. We did some PPF on it along with the ceramic coating. It was unfortunately involved in an accident, so it's back in the shop now for two things. First and foremost, the annual checkup for the ceramic coating. And secondly, we're gonna polish and recoat the trunk and the quarter panel. Luckily, insurance did cover it. So to the customer, there's no out-of-pocket cost. But we're gonna make them whole this week by finishing off the coating. Back in the PPF bay, we got Patrick doing some work on this 2020 Corolla from Schultz Ford. This had an existing partial front clip on it. After some body damage, the hood and right fender had to be replaced. So we're gonna redo the partial PPF on those two panels. Behind Patrick, we have a Jeep Wrangler. This was in last week's What's in the Shop video. This is one of the America 250 edition Wranglers. Really cool spec. And you can see, being these are custom graphics here, we did not want to take them off. Austin did a really nice job getting the PPF nice and tight around those decals to make it seamless, yet not compromise the integrity of the one-off decals. So this got the grille, the hood, the cowl, and the windshield surround in our 8mm paint protection film. Last but not least, back in the PPF bay is this brand new 7 Series. This is in for a full body 8mm paint protection film wrap and an 8-year ceramic coating. Outside we have a Ford Flex. This is a 2019, I believe. We did the two front windows in our Prime XR 20% tint to match the factory tint. Next in line for some stealth paint protection film is this Porsche Cayenne Turbo S. Also from our friends at Audi Porsche Swickley. This has a pre-existing full front clip in Ultimate Plus on it, which we'll be taking off, applying XPEL Stealth to the entire vehicle, and then layering tint on the entire back section for some added privacy on the rear windows. Also in line for some paint protection film is this Jeep Wrangler 392. This is getting all the high-risk areas, including everything on the front clip, this bottom grille piece, all 4 fender flares, the hood, the cowl, and the windshield surround.
What's going on, everybody? It's Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Washington shop. In the tint bay, we have this 2024 Toyota Tacoma. This customer is getting all the side windows and back glass tinted in our Prime XR line of film, 35% on the rear, 20% on the front too. In the wash bay, we have Cam working on this 2-week wash. This Acura got an 8-year ceramic coating, PPF on the front bumper and hood. It's now in for its 2-week inspection. In the ceramic bay is a finished 8-year ceramic coating. These customers have brought in 4 vehicles to us, all of which got an 8-year ceramic coating. This one is wrapped up, ready to go back home to the customer. Next up in line for a 8-year ceramic coating is this 2026 Kona. This customer is going with our 8-year Fusion Plus ceramic coating.
Today, Flat Glass Man is on the road in Mount Pleasant, getting ready to install some Blend DR17 on the new location of the Collision Shop in Mount Pleasant by Jason Mignon. They wanted to make sure that the customers in the showroom weren't blinded in the morning, but also to help keep the heat out and add a little bit of privacy. The finished result, before you could look right in, now the only thing you can really see is a halo of the lights in the ceiling, but you have to get right on top of the window to be able to look in. So everyone in there is going to have some privacy. It's going to cut down on glare and heat and make sure that people can enjoy their time sitting in this office.
Hey guys, welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. Let's see what we got going on today.
Here we have this Model Y Performance in this new blue. It's coming in for full XR Plus windshield tint all around, including the sunroof. And eventually this is gonna get a stealth wrap on all the blue surface. Here we have this Macan that's in for 2 fronts and a windshield in our XR Black. On the other side of the PPF bay, we have this Z06 convertible that's in for full Ultimate 8 PPF wrap and full window tint all around, including the windshield and some ceramic coating to top it off. Here we have a 911 Targa that was in for a 4-year ceramic coating. We polished the whole vehicle, ceramic coated the wheels and all the glass and all the painted surfaces.